right, next form, this is deer 6, another intermediate deer form. It's a really great form, it's really fun. This is deer prancing. You're just gonna step out, back and forth, side to side. Again, we're gonna be making this motion with the horns. In general, as we come out away from our body, away from center, it's an exhale. As we come back in, withdraw back in, it's an inhale. You can do whatever breathing works for you, whatever feels good, whatever's natural, but I encourage you to try inhaling as you come in, exhaling as you go out, and see if that feels natural for you, okay? Again, deer 6, deer prancing, this is how it goes.